How's it going?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Do you want me to shut it down?
Yeah, we can shut it down. So it's the 14 Pro Max.
Yes.
And it's your back camera lens.
Yes.
And we're going to do the screen and your back camera lens.
Yes.
It's going to take me like 20 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Okay? So
Yeah.
perfect. I'm going to be right in here.
No problem. Okay.
Okay? See you soon.
Okay.
Thank you. So the phone is good.
Okay.
It's ready, the front screen.
Okay.
And then you can check the back.
Okay. Perfect.
Looks good, right?
Yes. My finger's not cut up now.
Exactly. There's
Thank
no-
you so much.
You're the
Thank you so
best.
much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Let me know if you ever need anything, okay?